Hi, it's Gilbert. Today is Tech Tuesday. Let's take a look at what today's topics are going to be all about. Coming in at number 1, sign-off questions. Would you rather? Here's a great way to take attendance or start any class meeting to get to know your students a little better. Coming in at number 2 is a Google extension you are going to want to download. Coming in at number 3, Jamboard custom background. It's here. Jamboard now has a custom background feature. Learn how you can upload custom backgrounds. Coming in at number 4, Chrome trick. Do you have too many tabs open at once? Tab groups in Chrome is the perfect way to organize your tabs. Sign off question is a super cute resource that I found on Twitter from Esther Parker. You can use this resource during a class meeting or to take attendance. Let's take a look. I can simply display this in Zoom. I could ask my students a question like, which superhero would you choose? And in the chat box, they could type in their answer choice, A or B. If I call on a student, I like how it has a sentence stem for the students to say to help with that oral language. Plus, it has some examples on how to say goodbye when the meeting is over. This Google extension you are going to want to download. Here is a way to preview and utilize the hundreds of Google fonts. You can view, access, and sort all of the fonts in a convenient panel. You can even get inspired by trendy fonts. Once you downloaded the extension, you're going to find it in the Add-ons tab. Click on Extensive Font, click Start, and then the panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. Then you will click on a text, and then by clicking on the font, it will change the text automatically, like this. Now you can click on the one and choose the best one for your document. Jamboard has a new custom background feature. I am going to show you how I made this Jamboard using that feature. I created this custom background in Google Slides. In Google Slides, I inserted a title, sound boxes, and a background. When my custom background is ready, I went to File, Download, JPEG, and if you notice, it's going to pop up at the bottom. So then I went to my Jamboard. I got a new frame. I went to Set Background, clicked on Image, and then I'm going to click and drag it to the box. So now that I have a background, I can start inserting some sticky notes. Now my students can start making CVC words, and the only thing that is movable is the sticky notes. They are not able to move the title or the sound boxes because it is a custom background. Do you have too many tabs open at once? Don't lie. Here is a perfect way to organize all of your tabs for your live lessons. Let's take a look. Here is a science activity that I'm going to use during my synchronous lesson. Now I'm going to show you how to make a tab for science. First, you're going to right-click on the tab, click on Add Tab to Group, select New Group. Then you're going to right-click on that gray circle and type in Science, and then choose a color. Now that I have all of my tab groups ready for all of my live lessons, now I'm going to show you how you can insert a tab into a group. So I want to insert this document into my morning slides. Right-click on the tab, select Add Tab to Group, then select Morning Slides. Now that tab is inside of my tab group. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Tech Tuesday. We'll see you again in January.